So here we have an inductive position sensor. This sensor again does not have an indicator light to indicate it's got power. The only time you know it's working is if you actually go test it. And you need to pull a piece of material close to it that is a conductor of electricity. And as you see there, that iron button or that steel button triggers it. Now, a lot of people think that this needs to be magnetic property, magnetic material like iron or steel or something ferrous. In fact, anything that will conduct electricity, and here's a piece of aluminum that triggers it as well. So a piece of aluminum will trigger it. But if we use something that's non-conductive, doesn't matter how close we get it, that will not trigger. Where do we use these a lot? Where do you see these?
I've seen them used a lot on gate switches, safety switches, and things, you know, where you're limited whether you can go in. If you open the gate, maybe it shuts the line down or something, restricted access areas, things like that. Very common.
Yeah, actually, you'll have a very similar thing if you've got a house alarm, your door alarm.
Right.
Would use a very similar. Notice, though, the range is pretty small. You can't be a half a mile away from this thing. You've got to be right up close and personal, which is why I guess it's good for a gate switch.
Yeah, and that's a good point. Some of them do have adjustable, you know, might not be able to get, 6 inches away. You might have a little bit of adjustment in them. A lot of times they're actually used on valves. If a valve's open or closed, it might have some type of target to make the switch in the open position or in the closed position.